Sony Alpha A3 review. No longer the poor relation. Teach reader verdict. The Alpha A7 III is a brilliant camera that ticks a lot of boxes for many photographers. Sony has taken some of the best bits from its flagship Alpha A9 and A7R3 and distilled them into a single camera that offers a fantastic mix of performance and image quality. For the price, there's nothing that can touch it. Pros: 693 point AF system, 10 FPS burst shooting, uncropped 4K video, 15 stop dynamic range, 5 axis image stabilization, compact and durable body. Cons: limited touchscreen control, only one SD slot, Super Sport UHS 2 cards, slight tearing in EVF, poor weather sealing around accessory ports. The Alpha A7 III sits on the bottom rung of Sony's full-frame mirrorless camera range and is designed to appeal to both keen aesthetics photographers and professionals. In the past, the A7 series of cameras have always felt like poor revelation to the A7R and A7S series, while the later two ranges have tended to capture the limelight with their high pixel counts and advanced video capabilities. The A7 cameras have always been regarded as the basic model, sporting a solid but unremarkable set of features. It looks like it could all change with this third generation A7 cameras, borrowing many features from the top of the range Alpha A9 as well as the Alpha A7 R3. The Alpha A7 III looks anything but basic. All new features, all new 24.2 MP back illuminated sensors, 5 axis image stabilization offers 5 stop compensation, 4K video captured using full width of this sensor. Sony hasn't been tempted to increase the resolution of the Alpha A7 III, so it stays at 24.2 MP like the Alpha A7 II. However, the sensor is completed new and features a back illuminated design which, combined with the latest Bion's X image processor, sees the sensitivity range greatly improved over the older model with an extended ISO ceiling of the 204-800, the same as the Alpha A9. It's 3 stops better than the A7 II's 25-600 limit. Sony also reckons it's managed to achieve a dynamic range of 15 stops with 14-bit raw files, while the electronic viewfinder EVF doesn't get a bump in resolution to match the AR7. A7R3 is 3.8 million dots, the 2.3 million dot EVF of the Alpha A7 III gets a slightly higher magnification factor than the older model, up from 0.71 by to 0.78x. As we've seen with other recently announced Sony cameras, the rear 3.0-inch tilt angle display is now touch sensitive, enabling you to set the focus point and browse through image quickly, although it doesn't allow for quick navigation of the camera's menu. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization system in the Alpha A7 III has also been tweaked.